Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I explain how to delete a saving goal in Stash app. So to delete a saving goal in the Stash app, open the app and log into your account, then navigate to the bank tab and select the goal to view your active goal in your list. Then choose the specific goal you wish to delete, then look for the settings or option menu, often represented by the three dot or a gear icon within the goal details. Then tap on it and select delete goal. A similar option, which is confirm your decision when prompted to remove the goal from your account. Then before deleting, ensure that any funds associated with the goal are transferred back to your main Stash banking balance or another goal, as deleting the goal may not automatically reallocate this fund. So if you encounter any issues or you need a further assistance, consider reaching out to Stash support for guide, and that's it.